What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can set up shipping on Shopify. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery. Now as you can see here, you want to click on general. As you can see, it says here general shipping rates. You want to click under that, you want to click on general, and then it will take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do next is you need to add the shipping price, and if you want to ship internationally. I don't know why this is taking so long to load. I'm just going to reload the page and see if it's going to work. Okay, as you can see here, guys, after you click on shipping and delivery, it's going to take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down, and here you will see here your shop location, which is Morocco. Now for you, if you live, for example, in United States, you will find here United States, which is your local country. Now you want to click here where it says here that, just click on these three little dots here, where it says, and then you can click on edit rate. And then if you want to charge to ship to the local country, for example, if you live in United States and people from United States want to purchase from you, you will be charged, for example, 20 dirhams, which is $2 in dollar currency. Now you want to click on done after you change here the shipping price that you are going to charge for local country. You want to click on save in the top right. Okay, after you change that, now we're gonna scroll down. Now if you want to ship, guys, internationally, you want to ship to for example, Europe, Africa, and you want to add shipping price to these countries, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, and it says here start shipping to more places. You want to click on go to markets. Now after, guys, you click on go to markets, what you guys need to do next, you want to click here where it says here add the market. Okay, and you want to name the, make sure you remember this name. For example, Shopify countries I would like to ship to. And after that, you want to select all countries that you would like to ship to. For example, if you want to ship to Algeria, like these countries are in Africa, or you want to ship to the whole Africa, you just need to select here Africa. Now if you don't want to ship to Africa, you want to ship, for example, to Europe, you want to find here Europe. Okay, Europe, as you can see here, I'm going to search for Europe. Okay, so as you can, Asia, you can select Asia. If you want to ship to Afghanistan, China, you can ship to these countries if you want. If you want to ship, for example, to Europe, you can select here Europe, as you can see. Or you want to ship to a specific country in Europe, you don't want to select the whole Europe, you can just check all the countries you want to ship in Europe. Albania, France, Germany, all the countries that you would like to ship to. Now you want to click on add markets at the bottom after you finish. After, guys, you click on add market, what you guys need to do now, you want to go back here where you have clicked on go to markets, and what you guys need to do, you just need to reload this page. Okay, reload it, or reload it, or you can just click on this X and go back again, start from scratch, go back and click on shipping, click on settings at the very bottom left, and then click on settings and delivery and shipping and delivery. I'm sorry, you want to click again on general, and here you want to scroll down, and where it says here international. Now what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down, and here you will find all the countries that you have selected in the market, and then click on create zone. And that's why I told you guys to remember the name, which is the Shopify countries I would like to ship to. You want to select that, and it will select, guys, all the countries that you have selected in the market, and you want to click on done. Make sure you name the zone, just name it something like, again, countries I like to ship to, and then click done. Now you want to click on add the rate. Now it says here no rates. Customers in this zone won't be able to complete the checkout. You will need to add the shipping price before, so that these people from these countries will be able, guys, to purchase from your Shopify store. You want to click on add the rate. If you want to charge, for example, rate name, you want to click standard. And here the shipping price, if you want to charge zero, you want to ship, for example, you want to ship for free, you can just select 0.00. If you want to charge for shipping if you want to charge these countries for shipping, you can just select, for example, $20, for example. And then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on save. Okay, in the top right you want to click on save. Now you have successfully selected these countries. Okay, now what you guys need to do now, if you want to make sure that you are shipping to these countries or not, you want to click again on settings and then scroll down. Okay, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then you want to scroll down again and you want to click on go to markets. Let me check. You want to click on general again and then scroll down and then click go to markets, and make sure it says here active. Okay, countries Shopify countries I like to ship to, they are not active. As you can see, they are inactive. Now what you are gonna need to activate this, you want to click on add market, and I'm sorry, you don't need to click on that. You just need to click on these. Okay, Shopify countries I would like to ship to, and as you can see, it says here inactive. You want to click on that and you want to click on active, and then click save, and that's it. Now now you are shipping to these countries. It's active, as you can see. Now if you go back to settings and shipping and delivery, and if you click on general and if you scroll down and then click on go to market, you will find that international shipping is active now. As you can see, active your local country and the countries that you ship to. Okay, make sure they are in the active list. Inactive, as you can see, these things you don't need this. Now if you click on that, you will find all the countries that you selected, guys, that you would like to ship to. These are all the countries that you would like to ship to, that you have selected in the market. So if you don't understand, guys, anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Now, by the way, now if you click on products, if you click on view product, and people from these countries will be able, guys, to complete the checkout. Now as you can see, Morocco, now you will find the list in the top, guys. You will find the list of countries that can complete the checkout, that can purchase from your store. These are the countries that you have selected in the market. Okay, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.